everyone, Mikaytv Vlogs at your service. So welcome back here to our kitchen. And today I am going to make a simple and I think it's very delicious chicken recipe that it is easy for you to do, especially to those who have a hectic schedule. So just leave it in the oven for 30 minutes and it's done. And by the way, before we proceed to this cooking time, let me remind you, after this video, I am giving away some prizes. So make sure to read the message that I pinned in the chat box. So make sure to follow the rules. So what are we waiting for? Let's start! So first, we have here barbecue sauce. So any kind of barbecue sauce that you like. Then black pepper and salt to taste. I think this is about teaspoon, 1:1 ratio. I have here 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. And we have here 1 teaspoon of paprika. And last, this is syrup from pineapple, the canned one. But you can use like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. But for me, I prefer to use pineapple syrup. Then let's just mix it. And let's just taste it. And I'm going to add some coriander leaves. Then let's mix it again. I think salt and black pepper, it's already okay. So it depends upon your taste. Our sauce is ready and let's just set it aside. So here guys, we have a baking tray. At the bottom, I put a little bit of baking paper, then aluminum. And for the vegetables, so I prepared bell peppers, green and red bell peppers. Let's put it like this. And then onion. Let's separate. Pineapple chunks. Then garlic. Let's put garlic. And then our chicken. So I will use chicken legs with chicken wings. So I love chicken wings. This is perfect for this kind of recipe. So let's arrange this one. You must try this one guys, for sure you will love it. Especially to those who are helpers who cook for their employers. You must try this one. Then on the top, let's put again our vegetables. Here are again garlic. And pineapple. Right, put it all since I love pineapple. Rich in lycopene. And then, ready now our sauce. Let's put our sauce that we made a while ago. Just put it on the top. And it goes like this, and let's cover it with aluminum foil. Then put in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. For 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, let's see. After 30 to 45 minutes, guys, this is our chicken. Just take it off the cover and put it back to the oven. So we will going to make it a little bit toast on the top of our recipe. Here guys, your chicken recipe is ready. See? Looks delicious. That's for dinner. We have 1/2 cup of rice. So little diet to the max. Some vegetables. So you must try this one, guys, and for sure your employers will love this. So except na lang kung pag tayong gagamit para sa mga employers, except maybe we don't have to use wings to serve for our employers, because for sure they don't eat that kind of part of the wing. So maybe legs, thigh. They will sure love this. Put some pineapple. Okay. Just sprinkle it with some sesame. And it's done.